In an enchanting land where dreams entwined with technology, a realm thrived, burgeoning with infinite possibilities. In this realm stood two formidable entities, each playing a crucial role in the grand scheme of the digital world. The Bright Coders Factory, a weaver of digital tales, fashioned intricate software marvels that breathed life into ambitions. Their ingenious minds tirelessly spun lines of code, creating symphonies of innovation that echoed through the digital landscape. Adjacent to them, the Damian Biniarz IT Agency stood tall, a valiant shield safeguarding the digital realm. Their cybersecurity prowess was unmatched, providing an impenetrable bulwark against unseen threats, thereby preserving the essence of innovation from malevolent forces. Amid this harmonious coexistence, a saga unfolded, casting a spotlight on the intertwined significance of software and cybersecurity. On a day shrouded in uncertainty, an unseen adversary cast a shadow over our digital sanctum, threatening to disrupt the balance. Unfazed, the Bright Coders Factory rose to the challenge. Their legion of brilliant minds sculpted lines of code that danced in symphony, striving to repel the looming threat. However, the adversary persisted, slithering through the labyrinthine networks like a persistent specter. In this dire hour, the Damian Biniarz IT Agency stepped forward. Their cybersecurity sentinels wielding shields of encryption and swords forged in vigilance. They stood firm, confronting the assailants' digital onslaught with unwavering resolve. Through this epic conflict, the realm grasped the intrinsic harmony between these forces, the creators of digital marvels and the guardians of its fortifications. Each line of code and every shield of encryption intertwined, illustrating that without one, the other's significance diminished. As dusk fell, the adversary faltered, vanquished by the united front of creativity and protection. The realm rejoiced, realizing the symbiotic union between Bright Coders Factory and Damian Biniarz IT Agency, a bond that protected not only digital treasures but also the dreams and ambitions of its inhabitants. And so, the kingdom slept in tranquil repose, embracing the symphony of software innovation and cybersecurity vigilance, a melodic chorus that would forever safeguard their digital legacy. A tale of two forces working in harmony, driving forward the digital world, one line of code, one shield of encryption at a time.